Hey, buddy, what's up? What's your name?
Austin.
Austin. Are you ready to skydive?
I am so ready.
I don't hear you.
I'm ready.
Yeah, man. Here we go. Up. And further down, my man. Hey, Austin, what's up? How was the shot, man?
Oh, it was freaking awesome.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
Fucking crazy, no?
It was fucking insane.
Thank you, buddy. This is Chattanooga Skydiving Company. I'm Fabricio. Thank you for choosing us.
Yes, thank you.
Give me 5.
Hell yeah.
Bye.
Woo!